In order to install Ultraleap hand tracking motion bundle, you first need to unpack the bundle that you have purchased and see everything that is included. You get the manual, you get the 5-meter cable, as well as the module itself, and the mount, and some tools. I recommend you to use your own Torx 6 screwdriver, but there is one included if you don't have one. It's just much easier if you use your own. In order to start installation, you turn upside down your XR4 and you take the plastic tool from the package that would help you to remove the rubber pads. Under the rubber pads you can see 2 screws that you are able to remove. Then you take out the plastic holder that is included in the package. The plastic holder consists of 2 parts. You can permanently attach them to each other using 2 screws that are included in the package, but this is optional. In order to attach the mount to the headset, you use 2 longer screws included in the package. Next, you take the Ultraleap motion controller and you install it with a USB-C port facing down for the charging cable to go to the downside of the headset. And then you push the module into place until it makes a click sound. After that, you take the included 5-meter cable. You use the L-shaped connector to connect to the headset. It would go to the left side of the headset. There is an indentation on the left side where the cable should be inserted from. Carefully place the cable around the headset so it wouldn't block any tracking cameras or any tracking sensors on the Steam front plate if you have a Steam variant. Then you can use the plastic clips included in the package to attach the cable to the original cables that headset comes with. There are also additional rubber pads included in the package that you can use if you want to remove the Ultraleap module and make headset in its original state. Now you're ready to go.